So welcome to our YT Success channel. We had studied about force and pressure some part, and in this part we will study about pressure exerted by liquid and gas. So liquid and gas can also exert pressure on inner walls of the container in which they are kept. मतलब क्या है, हम लिक्विड और गैस को कोई भी कंटेनर में हम रखते हैं, उसके वॉल पर वो फोर्स एग्जर्ट करता है। ये सुनो। सो व्हेन वी टेक ए रबर balloon and air is filled in it, then what will happen? It will get inflated from all sides. It will get inflated from all sides. Yes or no? Why it will get inflated? Because the air or the gas which are present inside it exert pressure over the inner walls. Yes or no? Over the inner walls. देखो, when we blow more air, then it will apply more force, and at the end if we more blow air, it will burst lastly, because the force will end the limit. Okay, that end the elastic force of the balloon, then it will burst. That means it apply pressure, that means air apply pressure over the walls of the balloon. Clear? Then next from water, we see that when water level is more in um, tank or any container, then more pressure is there. ठीक है। और उसके लिए हम एक एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं। एक बोतल लेंगे, बोतल में 3 प्लेस में 3 होल, और बोतल इज फुल ऑफ वाटर, देन वी कैन सी दैट 3 होल इज देयर in bottle. 3 hole is there. The hole which is at the lower end, it will exert more pressure and the water will go more distance, and just above it, it will go less than it, and above less than it. That means here at the bottom more water is present over it. Yes or no? That means more force is applied here. Yes or no? Okay. So water start leaking. There is a pore in the bottle. If we have kept water in the bottle and there is a pore in the bottle, then what? Water starts leaking. If there is pore, because water present in it exert pressure on the walls of the bottle. Okay. Then comes to atmospheric pressure. Our atmosphere is made of different types of gas. Since gases exert pressure, so the pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. Okay, that means pressure exerted by air that is present in the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Weight of air in a column of the height of atmosphere and area 10 cm into 10 cm is as large as 1000 kg. समझ में नहीं आया? That means if we take air column with 10 cm and 10 cm, okay, clear, then its weight will be 1000 kg. The reason we are not crossed under this weight, that pressure inside our body there is pressure is also equal to the atmospheric pressure, and cancel the pressure from outside. That means our body has a pressure and atmosphere has a pressure. So atmosphere pressure and our body pressure cancel each other. Okay, that is the atmospheric pressure. Okay, then प्रेस रबर सकर जो है, pressed rubber sucker on a plane surface does not come up because of atmospheric pressure. Because of atmospheric pressure, when press rubber sucker we put on a plane surface, it will not come up because there is the less air so the atmospheric air tends to push through it, so it apply pressure in its all side, so it will not come up. It is also due to the atmospheric pressure.